Welcome guys, this is my 2012 CLS 550 Launch Edition Muffler Delete. Resonator and Cats still attached. And now this is with the completed Muffler Delete. Remember, Muffler Delete Only, Cats and Resonator still there. Enjoy. Overall, really happy about the results. Not too loud, but still gave it that little bit of grumble I was looking for. I know what it's like having the Resonator Delete, Muffler Delete, and Cherry Bomb glass packs added, as I did on my CLK 500, and this was just that happy medium I was looking for. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know and reach out.